Hey everyone, welcome back. This is another video discussing the Ultra Instinct prototype rover version 2.0. In this video we're going to be discussing how the ultrasonic range detectors work and how it helps the rover avoid obstacles in its path. We built this semicircular obstacle course to keep the rover enclosed, and it should be able to move freely within the circle. And basically how the obstacle avoidance works is the sensor in the center will be able to detect an obstacle in a way straight ahead, and once it reaches within 20 centimeters of that obstacle, the left and right sensors will decide whether if to turn left or turn right based on if those two sensors are able to see any obstructions in its path within a 10 centimeter range. And this is not perfect. There are some cases where it might scrape against some of the boxes or hit some of the boxes a bit, but it's a work in progress. It's still version 2.0, and let's just get right into it. So I've activated the Python program. See, it avoids that first box there. It's doing a pretty good job of avoiding things that are coming straight on. And you can see, it's pretty quick. It's not going at the fastest speed right now, but for this purposes here, it works fine. And I can just cancel the program whenever I like. But you can see it's doing a pretty good job of avoiding obstacles in its way. Let's just stop it right there. So you can see right now it's doing a pretty great job of avoiding obstacles. There are some boxes such as that one and the one over there that are, it did kind of hit before it reacted to it, and that's some of that blame could be on the sensors. They are kind of the basic ultrasonic range detectors. You can get more that are LiDAR based, or just use radio waves, or more stronger LiDAR, 360 degree LiDAR sensors that work a little bit better for obstacle avoidance. And also you can also use OpenCV to detect obstructions like these boxes, maybe the shapes that they're in. But as a version 2.0, we have a semi-autonomous, almost autonomous way to avoid obstacle in its path. And moving forward, we'll use some of the OpenCV libraries to detect lanes or detect stop signs or red lights, whatever might be in its way. And also, like we discussed in the previous video, the breadboard that we have on here can also be converted into a PCB design, so that I learned more about PCB design in that fashion, and it could make it a little bit less cluttery with all the wires going, and should help with the overall design of the rover. But this is it for version 2.0 and how the obstacle avoidance works, and we'll see you next time.